Hi, hello, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. So, in this today's session, now I want to give the clear information regarding the Kafka installation. In my past videos, I have told regarding the introduction to Kafka and what are the various terminologies that are related to Kafka. So, what are the terminologies which are related to Kafka are partition and topic. Uh, and what are the other things, consumers, producers, all these things we have discussed in our past videos. And now we are going to discuss about what are the various installation procedures regarding the Kafka. So how the Kafka can be installed, what are the various installation procedures, now we are going to see. And I told the various kinds of terminology related to Kafka also in my past videos. So better understanding of the Kafka theoretical concepts, please watch my past videos in our playlist of the Apache Kafka. So now I would like to show you how this Kafka is getting installed in our system and how the commands are going to be worked. What are the various commands associated with it? So for that, we have to give a look on this particular thing. See here, if you look at this one, this is look at the first one. This is the first one. So here, for Kafka, http Apache Kafka org/downloads. This is the one that we need to use. This is the particular site where the Kafka is available. Your Apache Kafka is available in this particular thing. So follow the first step. What is the first step here? For Kafka, we have to go to this particular site. So I am opening my browser and I am going to open this particular site. Okay. uh, yeah, yeah, now this is my site. Yeah. So this is the Apache Kafka site where Apache Kafka is available for our systems. So next, what is the next step here? In that supported releases, that is 3.9.0, go to binary downloads, Scala 2.13, Kafka, then download and extract. So in that supported releases, that is what is the support release? 3.9.0. I am going to 3.9.0, but because in the newer versions zookeeper is not available, so in that I am going to download the file which is src.tz. Okay, so go to the binary downloads. Yeah, here the down we are having the binary downloads. In that, what is the version? Here it told 2.13 is the name of the version. So this is the name of the version. Just click on this, it will get downloaded. Okay, just click on this, it will get downloaded, right? Then after getting downloaded, go to your downloads. Okay, I'm going to my downloads. So in the downloads, I'm going to Kafka Kafka. So here, if you check here, we are having this particular file. uh, Let me download once again. Yeah, this one, I'm going to download this. It is getting downloaded. Let it be downloaded. Yeah, now go to your downloads. Yeah, go to your downloads. Here if you see, just I have to refresh it. No. Okay, so let me open once again the downloads. Yeah, Kafka, it is already there. So I have to extract the file. So here we need to extract it in the C drive. So going to the C drive, just I'm going to the C drive. In my C drive already Kafka is there, it's already pre-installed. So what I have to do is Yeah, again I am going to C drive. In the C drive, what I have to do is I am going to delete this Kafka. Again I want to reinstall it, so I am deleting it. Okay, it is successfully deleted. Now what I am going to do is I am going to extract from the downloads. So here simply I am selecting this particular one, and simply I am selecting extract all. So in that where you want to extract, I want to extract directly in the form of C drive, in the on the C drive. So simply I have selected C drive, and simply I am clicking on extract. Okay, so now this particular file get extracted. Let us check in the C drive whether it is downloaded, whether it is extracted or not. Let me check Kafka. Yeah, so it is named in the form of Kafka 2.13. I want to name it as the Kafka only. So simply I am renaming it as KAFKA. So this is my folder Kafka. Okay. So what is the next step now? Paste the file in the C drive and open and check .sh files and .bat files, Windows files are there. So after getting pasted this particular file on the C drive, what you have to do is, let me open this C drive. Yeah, here C drive it is available. So in the C drive it is the Kafka. It's already there. I'm deleting this. So Kafka is installed or not, is already extracted here or not. Once again, let me check. Extract all to C drive. I'm browsing here. From the browsing, I'm selecting drive C. Uh, Select folder. Extract. Yeah. Now I'm going to check C drive. Kafka, yeah, here we got the Kafka. Simply I am renaming it as the Kafka instead of that 2.13 and all. I am renaming it as simply KAFKA, Kafka. Now what I have to see, I need to check whether it is successfully all the available files are there or not. I am going to check the bin. Here all the Linux relevant files, sh files and bat files are available or not. Yes, everything is okay, so it is successfully downloaded, right? So okay, so now what is the next step after this? So here paste the file in C drive and open check for sh files and as well as bat files. Now we have to go to Kafka, see a Kafka config server and see Kafka config zookeeper. Here what is the thing we have to see is, let me explain this. We have to see, we have to work with two different kinds of the concepts here. That is, the first one is nothing but the zookeeper. So zookeeper is, as I told from the previous classes, what is the zookeeper actually? A zookeeper is nothing but one kind of master which maintains different kinds of the brokers or the servers. So first of all we have to install the zookeeper. This is the first step. Until unless you didn't install the zookeeper, so you can't install the broker and all. Broker or server, these are all the second next steps. So first of all what you have to do, you have to install the zookeeper first, and then you have to install the broker first. So first installation is the zookeeper and next one is the Kafka broker. So in order to install that we have to follow some set of the steps. So let me explain those steps. Yeah, here what it is saying is, now we have to go to see Kafka config server and see Kafka config zookeeper. Open these two properties file with the notepad. So where it is Kafka config server Kafka config zookeeper, these two files. What is the first one? First one, as I told, we have to open the Kafka. Here I am clicking the Kafka. What is the first one? We have to open zookeeper first. So we have, what is the first one? It is saying here, we have to open the Kafka config first. This one we have to open first. Okay, now go to, this is the first step. We have to follow the sixth step first, and then we have to follow the next one, Kafka, and then later we have, here it is written in the reverse. First one we have to follow the sixth step, and then second one it will be started. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, going to the opening the file Kafka. In that Kafka zookeeper properties, just right click the zookeeper properties and open with a notepad. So your file, this is the entire file of your Kafka zookeeper file. So what it is mentioned here, just check. Here we have to check here what it is mentioned. Let me explain in the installation file. See here, now go to zookeeper properties, into data directories. You please place the location where it is placed, the zookeeper data. C Kafka, in the C drive it is placed, C Kafka zookeeper data. So that is the thing you have to mention here, right? So open this zookeeper properties. Okay, so in the data directory, so what it is C drive, C Kafka, and zookeeper hyphen, you have to mention it as data, and then save this file, alt F s, and then close this file. So your zookeeper task is over. Now we have to start, we have to go to the next one, that is the Kafka config server. Okay, so 4 and 5 are two different one. Here we have to select two different points. Here first we have to select the zookeeper, then we have to go for the server. So now what I am going to do is, here in the config we are having another file called server properties. So right click and open with, and notepad. Here what we have to do, here it is opened. So what we have to do here, uh, yeah, so what it is saying here, uh, in the uh, server, server dot properties, here see Kafka, uh, Kafka logs. Okay, so where is the TMP that we have to search here? Okay, let us check where it is. Yeah, data dir. Yeah, log directory. Here what is the thing we have to see here? It is where it is resides, residing, it is C drive, and again it is Kafka folder, KAFK, Kafka folder, and then what it is saying, we have to keep it as Kafka logs. Yeah, it is okay now. Kafka log directory, C Kafka logs. So remaining everything is same. We need not change anything. Just say broker ID, initially only one broker. Okay, so close it. Okay, so you changed the properties successfully, right? Like that you can change the properties. Now what I have to do is, I have to start the servers, zookeeper server and as well as the broker server. For that, what I have to do now, I have to start the zookeeper server. Okay, so I am opening the command prompt here, cmd. Okay, command prompt. So what is the path here in the C drive? It is cd backslash, yeah, and cls, and it is cd Kafka. Okay, so here what you have to type, you have to type this zookeeper. First of all, you need to start the zookeeper server only. So the properties changing, after changing the properties also, you have to start the zookeeper server only. Okay, so the first server that can be start is zookeeper server, then you have to start the Kafka broker or Kafka server. Okay, so if you don't start the zookeeper server directly, you are starting the Kafka server, it won't start, you will get the error message. So initially you have to start the zookeeper server, then only you have to start the Kafka broker server. Okay, so then what we have to do here, to start this, we need to go uh, we have to type one command, that is /bin /windows zookeeper server. See, we have to paste this command, that is /bin, 1 minute, /windows /zookeeper server start.bat /config zookeeper dot properties. I'm pasting this command to start this zookeeper server. Truly, yeah, it is getting started. Yeah, now your zookeeper server is started. And now what you are going to start is nothing but your Kafka server. Okay, so cd, yeah. So what is the command to start the Kafka server? This is the command /bin /windows /kafka hyphen server start.bat hyphen dot hyphen config server dot properties. This is the command we need to give to start this. Yeah, now your zookeeper server started, and as well as your Kafka broker is also started. In the coming video I will show you how to start your producer consumers, how to start a producer, how to start a consumer, how to create a topic and all. So if at all you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.